Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Hassan, Has to Fix. Today's video is about how to resize any image. Any photos you want to resize it or decrease the size. I will show you how to do it. But first of all, before I start the video, I want to thank everybody for the support. We've hit 3,000 subscribers. Thanks to you guys. Appreciate for the support. So let's get back to the video. As you can see, I'm on Google now. So type BeFunky. Then go to 4D edit at the top, as you can see, click on it. The good thing on this software, you don't even need to register or sign up anything. So you just say get started, and straight away it gives you three different options: photo, effects, and tools to enhance your photos. Combine multiple photos into one with the grid, layout, template to create banner, flyer, cards, and more. So now we're doing just photos editing. Edit photo, so click on it. And let me just drag this because you need a photo now. All you do is grab the picture you need to resize it and just drop it in there. And then once you do that, then you can do more stuff with it. So you guys just play around with it. But now I'm showing you the videos about to resize the size. So from here, as you can see, I went to size and then just type whatever size you want. If you want it to be bigger, can be a bigger screen. As you can see, it's a bit too big. So let me just take the 0 out to reduce the size. And straight away it shows you the good thing, how big it is. Once you finish, just press the tick button. Once you press the tick button, and then go to save, and then you can save it straight away on your computer. So let me name it just to show you guys. Let's put Hassan Has to Fix, just to show you guys, because I've got another. There you go, straight away it comes up here, and then show folder. As you can see, it has to fix. So double click on it. There you go, you have it on your computer. That was super easy, right? So if you want to restart again, you just go to reset here. You want to save it, you don't want to save it, and the same thing again. That's it, no hassle. So if you guys find this helpful, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.